Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. So Saturday afternoon, I went to post office to send my order. That is a pomelo syrup and passion fruit syrup. So I came to this place and found it is really beautiful. Why not make a video? I always have my equipment with me, so I use my selfie stick. This is a winner unboxing, and I want to do an outfit of the day and also a behind the scene. So usually when I go to places, I have my little bag with me. It is gray color, not so good, but very convenient. And I can put my gimbal inside. See, the gimbal is very, very small. So I can put it there and fix my phone and put a long press. Wait a moment. Now it is good. Now it is fixed. And so this is usually how I do my video. And a lot of time I do not use gimbal. And if sometimes I see the street scene is fun and interesting, and I want to enjoy the walking, and there is not many people with all these conditions satisfied, I use gimbal. I usually use gimbal in the park when there are not crowded, when there are not people, too many people around, or on the city sidewalk, always in public place, on the city sidewalk. So if there are people coming by, I do not videotaping their face intentionally. No, I do not do that. So I just walk very slowly. As you can see, I have my gimbal with me, and it's just like normal walking, and there is nothing too prominent, too different from anybody else. So you can see I can move the gimbal up, move the gimbal down, and change angle, and also I can turn the gimbal from left, right, to change angle, and the gimbal is always making the photo image relatively stable. It's kind of like you have a suspension of things with your sudden movement, that the gimbal has a delay of movement, so you do not see the sudden shock. You usually feel the image is smooth. And if you do not have a gimbal, you can just walk slowly and do not make too much movement. And with or without gimbal, if you want to make video, always make sure you do not walk too fast. You do not jump up and down. You do not make sudden movement, sudden change of direction. And that's the way to do it. So I was doing it, and then I was thinking, such a beautiful day. Why not make an outfit of the day? And it's such a comfortable outfit, absolutely comfortable. And the top is children's dress, 13 years old. So usually children's dress are more softer, more comfortable, and more easy to move. So that's it. You have a beautiful, beautiful day. I love you. I really do. Do, 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 do. Do, do, do. Goodbye. Bye. Okay. Now you will see I do some video recording with the gimbal in my park and walking in normal distance, in normal speed. That's the show of the gimbal work. Okay? Bye bye, friends. For real.